when it's
Zero
time.
5, take 1.
Action.
Welcome, I'm Mrs. Green. I'll be your instructor today.
Oh, nice to meet you, Miss Green.
When you're ready.
Right,
Are you okay?
yeah, I'm just really nervous.
Oh, just relax. Just think about fluffy rabbits jumping along the road. What's the matter?
I hate rabbits. Evil little creatures.
Right, well just try to breathe, and if you'd like to drive forward to the next turning.
Yeah.
Forward, not back.
Oh, sorry, I'll try it again. Sorry about that.
Okay, but just slow, please. And the lights just turn red, so slowly come to a stop.
Okay. Are you sure that's a light and it's red?
Yes, are you colourblind?
I am. How did you know?
Please slow down.
Oh, sorry. Are we done yet? I'll just stop the cars.
Perhaps you need more lessons before taking your test.
You see, I thought this was my lesson.
What? You're telling me you've never had a single driving lesson?
Can you tell?
I think it's best if you have some actual lessons, or better yet, never drive again.